going up to Carlton Culver this morning. We've heard of two Daimlers, very interesting story, two Daimlers, V8s, 250s, owned by the husband and wife, and they're one registration number away from each other. I think they were bought within a year of each other, but the second one was local to them, and when they bought the second one, lo and behold, it was the sister car to the one they'd already got. I'm Gordon, nice to meet you. You okay?
Just about. I'm a bit shaky because I was 31 when we bought this. I'm now 77. I think it's one of those two. You might need a hammer. You've got the hammer.
He's got the hammer.
Always come prepared. Have a hammer in your hand.
There it is.
Now, don't worry about the number plate. It's in the boot of our car here.
Well, it's got an engine.
I said to the missus, we got a car. Well, she said, that bloody number plate, you sure? I said, why, what's the matter with the number plate? She said, yeah, it's the same number plate as the one we got. We went out the back, had a look at it.
And that was one digit away.
One digit away.
Our daughter, who's now 51, we were doing the car up for her wedding. Ha ha. She's been married 25 years now.
You might like that.
Oh, lovely, yeah, really, yeah, it's brilliant. Yeah, that's hard to get hold of now, these.
And what you got in here,
Maintenance, that's the service book.
yeah, all the garages.
Oh, yeah, excellent. Thank you very much.
Winston Churchill.
Winston Churchill.
Trafalgar Street.
I thought I'd film him just for a bit of extra pressure.
Look at that reverse, Randy.
No, a bit more. Yeah, okay, you're in. You're in. Yep. 34. Just my age.
Are you fibbing?
Yeah.
I think you are.
Yeah. Only by 32 years. But there she is. That one. Right, come round, Dave, if you can. Straighten up, Dave.